Alright guys, welcome back. I'm on the way home and I'm totally not driving right now because that would be unsafe. Thanks guys for stopping by, appreciate it. And today I got some video at lunch. I don't remember how long it was for, but I will see that here in a minute when I get home and put the video together. But I didn't get anything after work, but I just want to say that the stuff that I showed you, the stuff that I will be showing you, I finished that stuff. So like finished the light switch, and then I put a second light switch in this little closet in the room, but which I didn't show you, and then a little light up, and then basically at the beginning of the video, actually I didn't even show this I don't think, but basically I took one light down and then I switched it with the same exact light but in the emergency version, and then my coworker hung the light that I took down in a different room, and I think will show you that, and then I rewired that back up, and then we pulled all the wire through the circuits and then tied some junction boxes together and stuff like that. So really nice day. It's really hot right now. I'm turning the heat off, but anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'm gonna do a ask me anything. So since I am too lazy or haven't gotten around to since I haven't gotten around to making the 30 things about me, if you guys could just ask me, like when I get to like 30 comments or whatever, or 30 questions, I'll just make a video and answer all the questions. So if you guys want to know anything about me or anything like that, drop me some comments, and then I will put a video together when I get 30 questions or whatever, and I will go ahead and answer that. And enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Thanks, and I will see you in a second. Alright guys, thanks for watching, thanks for making it to the end of the video, I appreciate it. Thanks for all the support every day, thanks for coming back, and thanks for liking and subscribing. I appreciate that, and it helps the channel grow, and helps me get to my lifelong goal of being a YouTuber one day, maybe, possibly. So anyways guys, I will see you guys back here on Monday at the latest, and I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Stay safe out there. And if you want to follow me along on social medias, check the description below for Instagram, Facebook, and for Twitch. And hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do a live stream or upload a new video, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless. Peace out. Hope you guys have a good day.